देखिए ये जो वीडियो होने वाला है इसमें जिस व्यक्ति की मैं बात करने वाली हूँ उनके जो जितने भी कोर्सेज़ होते हैं, जितने भी प्रोग्राम्स हैं, जितने भी उनके वीडियोस होते हैं वो सारे इंग्लिश में होंगे। इसीलिए ये जो वीडियो है ये इंग्लिश में बनाया गया है। तो यदि आप इंग्लिश अच्छी तरह से समझ सकते हैं तो पूरी तरह से इस वीडियो को देखिए, बिकॉज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट बातें मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में। वुड यू लाइक टू लर्न हाउ टू मेक योर बिजनेस, how to turn your business into an online business? Would you like to learn how to build an online business such that you can reach like millions of customers globally by sitting in the comfort of your own house, by spending some quality time with your family, but at the same time you are also earning a really good amount from your online business? Hi, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on online business stuff. Okay, so I am basically going to talk to you about Mr. Siddharth Rajshekar's course over here. Now before we get into any, he has the biggest online business. He has the biggest business online where he is teaching about how to create an online business. He has more than 10,000 paid customers, plus he has more than like 35,000 in his ecosystem where people are learning from him. He is number one guru who is teaching about online business, plus not just that, he is somebody who is earning about 75 lakh plus every month. Okay, and through his programs and through his learning hub. So in this video I will be sharing with you how can you make a huge business like that where you can earn that much from your business. Okay, so if you are really serious about taking your business online, about building a hugely successful business, make sure that you watch this entire video till the end so that you understand whether whatever I am talking in this video is you or not. Okay, stay tuned. Now first of all, your question may be, okay, what kind of online business? See, the thing is, he is teaching about, you may have any kind of expertise, how to put your expertise into an online business. That is what he is teaching. So your question may be, okay, you are a physics teacher, so can you take that course? Definitely. If you want to put your physics teaching online, if you want to build your online business where you are teaching physics to online students globally, okay, then definitely this thing is for you. Then there are people who are teaching about share market. Okay, they are teaching about how to invest in shares, how to invest in how to do trading, how to do share market trading. There are people who are expert in that and they are teaching that. So they also are, these people can also participate. So basically what is the thing is, you need to have something to sell. Okay, you need to have something or the other that you want to sell through your online business. So how you have to sell, how that entire process happens, how you can make your business like hugely successful, all of that will be taught to you on Sid's course. So okay, now a lot of people have this, they have this illusion, they have this notion that, oh, if I do a business, I don't know, you never know how successful it becomes. You may have a chance that your business becomes successful. See, that's not the right thing. If you have if you are having some really good thing to do, you need to have the right strategies, you need to have the right systems. And once you know those right systems, you will definitely be earning as much as you want. The next thing is, if you are ready to put in the hard work. See, online business, what Sid is going to teach in this course, it's all based on the work that you are doing, and all the work that you do, that's going to pay off rewards in future. Okay, so a lot of people feel that online is something where you don't have to do anything. You just have to buy Sid's course and then money will start flowing. That's not the thing. You will buy Sid's course, you will learn Sid's course, you will apply those strategies, then money will start coming in. So if you are ready to put in the hard work, you're ready to put in the smart work, then definitely Sid's course is the best thing on the internet that you can put your hands on to. So now you may have questions, okay, what is this course? How does it proceed? How do I take part in that? So Sid's course is basically, it has like 4 levels, okay? Now you don't have to get all the 4 levels. First level is where he is going to tell you what exactly is online business. Okay, see, before you do anything, okay, before you get into anything in depth, you definitely have to know the basic knowledge about it. Only then you will know whether you want to progress, you want to proceed in that or not. Okay, so the first level is the silver level, where you get to know the basics, okay, basics about online business. And let me tell you, this basics are really important that you do it. Okay, it's like a lot of practicals will be given to you that, yeah, do this, you will have to follow all of that. And once you do all that, you will know in your heart whether you want to proceed or not, whether you want to go ahead and build that kind of business or not. So then there is level 2. See, level 2 is gold level, where he is telling you, he is going to teach you how to exactly set up. The way he has set up his business, he is exactly teaching those steps. See, let me tell you, let me warn you. I have learned online business from non-Indian gurus as well, from teachers who are non-Indians, like a lot of teachers I have learned from. And usually I have learned this, that they will not teach you something how they have built their own business. Okay, they will never teach you that, because then you will become equivalent to them. So usually nobody is teaching that, but Sid is exactly teaching that. How do I know? Because I have done his course. Okay, so basically in level 2 he will teach you how to set up those systems. As I said, he will teach you to set up systems that will bring in money. So level 2 will be where he teaches you how to set up those systems, and he will tell you to decide how much money you want to earn. And it's up to you. You may say like 50,000, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs. Whatever sum you decide, you will be able to pull that sum from your business. I'm not joking, okay? I'm not exaggerating. I'm not joking. I'm not overly stating anything. This is actually the truth. A lot of people are making a lot of money, and it's up to you how much money you want to make through your business, through your purpose. Then there is diamond level. Diamond level is for people who want like hand holding. If you want that Sid takes you from one point to another, if you get stuck, Sid guides you through every point, through every step in your business growing. So if you want that, definitely you can go ahead with diamond level. See what I said according about diamond level. You may be tempted, oh, I even want the diamond level. See, what I suggest, first get the gold level, first get the silver and gold level. Okay, you will easily be able to make money by both these levels also. What people do is, from the beginning, they want the diamond level, gold level, silver level, all the levels they want, and then they have like a huge amount of information that then you feel overwhelmed about. Okay, so don't overwhelm yourself with too much of it. First, just begin gradually. Diamond level is also really amazing. And diamond level, he is actually teaching you what he has actually done for his business, because yes, he is making like almost 75 lakh plus every month, but he has so much free time. He has so much free time to do a lot more other things, to spend time with his family, everything. He is if you actually visit his YouTube channel, if you visit his website, you will see that, oh wow, how big his business is, so much of amazing stuff he is doing. And then you will feel, oh but how do I do all that stuff, where do I get that much time? He will teach all of that in the diamond level, how to turn it into that level, where, and exactly, on, it's like you are going on the global market, you are appearing huge, but at the same time you have so much time for yourself and your family as well. So yeah, diamond level, I would suggest that think later on, first get into silver and gold. Okay, there is one more next level after diamond level, but where everybody does not have permission to participate. If you are earning more than 1 crore, okay, annually, it's annually or monthly, I think it's annually. If annually you have made like 1 crore plus, then you will be allowed to take part in the level 4 also. Okay, so yes, so this is how all his 4 levels are. Along with that, see, once you sign up for his programs, you will be able to attend his masterminds. Masterminds are something that are like a huge steal deal in his courses, because see, as I said earlier, I have attended programs by non-Indian gurus as well, Indian marketing gurus as well. Those gurus, they don't give you a free mastermind. Okay, there, if you want a mastermind, a yearly mastermind will cost you 200,000 US dollars. Yeah, that's the truth. Okay, that is how much a mastermind will cost you. Plus you pay that every year, so that you get to know the latest strategies, the latest trends that are going on in online business market, online business communities. So all of that stuff nobody will give you for free, but Sid is definitely offering that for free. Okay, all the masterminds that Sid is doing, it has like very very highly valuable information, and all of that is for free. Once you join the silver level, gold level, any of the levels you join, the masterminds will be for free. Okay, which is actually, yeah, for now, okay, this is like the year 2021, and for now it is free. But I know how highly valuable the masterminds are, and he also may start charging for that in the future. For now it's for free, so I do suggest that do join now. You never know when he starts charging for the masterminds. Okay, plus something about the non-Indian gurus. If there are a lot of non-Indian internet gurus who are teaching online business gurus. These people are actually charging you like 10,000 US dollars, 20,000 US dollars. Once you spend this much after their courses, then you will actually realize what is actually happening, what actually happens in an online business, and how you have to run your online business. See, since the year 2014, okay, since the year 2009, I have been researching something about online business, because for me at that time, to do an online business was the only possibility that I had, which is why I just did not have any other option. So I was researching from that time. But I know that how much non-Indian at that time, none of the Indian mentors were there. Nobody was teaching online business in India, which is why I had to read a lot of stuff from non-Indian teachers, non-Indian online business mentors. So those people, they usually, whatever information they gave, they made sure that they never give you like a lot of information just for a few dollars. They will always charge you like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, 200,000 for a mastermind. Okay, once you actually spend a bomb after their teachings, after their courses, only then they would actually give you the entire crux, of a matter that will teach you how to make your own online business. But that's not what Sid is doing. Sid is actually giving like a huge amount of valuable information, once you join his programs. You will say, oh, once you join his programs only, then see, even for free, he has a lot of podcasts, he has a lot of YouTube videos that he is making like on a daily basis. He is teaching so much. If you want to see, just go and see there. Okay, see how many important and valuable information he has given in his YouTube videos, in his podcast, and on his website. Okay, try to read all that, try to listen to the podcast. You will be able to know what exactly is the depth to the level that he is teaching you. And then I would definitely like to encourage you to join his programs. And you may say, okay, how do I join his programs? I have shared a link below this video. Visit that link, visit his website, try to see all the different stuff that he's doing. See, just take your time, try to study really well. And I would like to encourage you that just go ahead and register, because yes, it is guaranteed that once you join the level 2, once you join the gold level, where he actually starts teaching you how to develop all the systems, there he is giving you a guarantee. He is giving you a guarantee that within 90 days, you will start earning how much you want, whether it is 50,000, whether it's 5 lakhs, or whether it's 10 lakhs. Okay, so in 90 days, that's guaranteed. Okay, see, I don't think that on anybody who teaches online business, they are going to give that guarantee, because I have done a couple of courses online. Nobody has given that guarantee, and I have spent like thousands of dollars. Okay, yes, I did spend thousands of dollars behind all those non-Indian gurus, and still I was not able to take my business anywhere. Because that information, as I said, some information was always missing. So, which is what you will not find in Sid's course. So try to make sure that you register for his course and go ahead and start working on your online business. What is stopping you? Who is stopping you from progressing? Once somebody gives you a guarantee that they will help you to progress, they will help you to succeed. If you don't succeed, then definitely it's on you. It is your responsibility. It is your accountability. Okay, so yes, try to make sure that you check out his website. I'll place the link below this video. Make sure that you study everything properly and then register. If you directly right away feel like registering, still I would say just go ahead and register, because thousands of people have studied his courses, and which is where they guarantee. So I don't think that there is anything that you need to doubt about. You can just right away go and register for his course. Okay, if you have any comments, any questions, just place them below this video. And if you have liked this video, hit the like button. Let me know, how did you like this video? Share this video with as many people as you can. If you know that somebody is very, very desperate to build an online business, or who are very desperate to do something in their life, share this video with that person. Okay, I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
मेरे चैनल से सब्सक्राइब रहे, सब्सक्राइब बटन क्लिक करके और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए। उसके बाद जो ऑप्शन आपको मिलता है उसमें से ऑल नोटिफिकेशन सिलेक्ट कीजिए, ताकि हर एक वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल पाए।